Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to make fabric wreath bows. Now you can use any kind of fabric ribbon depending on the size of the wreath. You have very thick ribbons, medium ribbons. You can use satin, grosgrain, any kind of ribbon, cotton. I'm going to use a small wreath to demonstrate and a thin satin ribbon, but you would use a thicker ribbon on the size wreath that you would put on a door. This is a small wreath that you would use maybe for a magnet, or you can make an ornament, even a napkin ring. These work very nicely for. And what I'm going to do is take just a little bit of hot glue to secure one end to the wreath. And I'm just going to hold that there for a second and let that dry. Hot glue dries pretty quickly, which makes it wonderful for impatient crafters like me. And you just got to be careful because it is very hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Now what I'm going to do is take the ribbon and just kind of wrap it around the wreath like this, just spiraling it around the wreath. Now you can just put a bow on the wreath separately, but I like to wrap it around the wreath like this to kind of pull it all together and give it a really nice look. So where the ends meet, just going to put a little more glue again to hold that in place there. Again, hold that down for a moment, being careful not to burn yourself. Then you trim off right there where it overlaps. Then you take the remaining ribbon and you tie it. You put the part that's overlapping to the back and you tie the ribbon. Now you can choose to put the bow at the bottom of the wreath, or you can choose to put it on the side, on the top, depending what you're going to use it for. If you're going to make an ornament, perhaps you would want to put the bow on top with a little loop to hang it. However you prefer. So now I'm just going to tie a bow like this. Whenever you're making a bow for a wreath, you have the option of making a single loop bow like this, or you can use a couple of strands and make big elaborate bows. It's all a matter of what you would like. The color, the type of ribbon, all depends on your taste and the decor of the room that you're going to use it in. And there you have a way to decorate a wreath with ribbon and put a bow. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.